Welcome to a chapter in history that blurs the lines between scientific progress and moral compromise. Today, we delve into Operation Paperclip, a covert and controversial post-World War II initiative that saw the United States recruiting German scientists, some of whom were deeply entangled in the atrocities of Nazi war crimes. In this exploration, we unravel the intricacies of Operation Paperclip, a story that challenges our understanding of ethical boundaries in the pursuit of technological advancement. As the embers of World War II flickered out in 1945, a tumultuous chapter of history began to unfold. The Allied forces, victorious but acutely aware of the escalating Cold War tensions, faced a pivotal moment in their quest for global dominance. At the forefront of this post-war struggle was a race, not for territorial conquests, but for the brilliant minds that held the blueprints to unparalleled technological supremacy. The aftermath of the war presented a paradoxical landscape. On one hand, the devastation left in the wake of global conflict demanded reconstruction, rehabilitation, and the rebuilding of nations. On the other hand, geopolitical tensions were mounting, casting an ominous shadow over the fragile peace that had been achieved. The question of who would emerge as the technological powerhouse in the post-war era became central to the strategic considerations of nations. In response to this pressing need for scientific prowess, Operation Paperclip emerged as a clandestine and audacious endeavor. Spearheaded by the United States, this covert program aimed to poach the intellectual assets of defeated Germany, specifically targeting scientists, engineers, and technicians who had played pivotal roles in the Axis powers' technological advancements. The paradox, however, lay in the fact that among these scientists were individuals deeply implicated in the machinery of Nazi war crimes. The ethical tightrope walked by the United States in the pursuit of scientific excellence became increasingly precarious. Wernher von Braun, a name synonymous with both space exploration and wartime atrocities, was one of the key figures brought under the Operation Paperclip umbrella. As the architect of the V-2 rocket, his technical prowess was undeniable, but his wartime affiliations forced the United States to confront uncomfortable questions about the price of progress. The moral quandary faced by the United States during Operation Paperclip reached a critical juncture as the nation extended a welcoming hand to scientists with documented connections to concentration camps and participation in unethical human experimentation. This decision, while strategically motivated, presented a stark conflict with the principles of justice and ethical conduct that the United States had long championed. The recruitment of individuals associated with heinous war crimes and atrocities committed during the Holocaust raised profound questions about the price of progress. The scientists in question were not mere bystanders, but active participants in the machinery of cruelty, casting a long and dark shadow over their scientific acumen. The cloak of secrecy that had enshrouded Operation Paperclip began to unravel in the latter half of the 20th century, exposing a narrative fraught with ethical complexities. As the truth emerged, it ignited a public discourse that reverberated through academic circles, political arenas, and societal discussions. The revelation sparked debates that went beyond the scientific realm, reaching into the very heart of what the nation stood for and the values it aimed to champion on the global stage. Operation Paperclip was not merely a recruitment drive, it was a strategic maneuver that blurred the lines between scientific collaboration and geopolitical competition. Thank you for joining us as we explored Operation Paperclip. If you found this video informative, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that delves into the profound intersections of history, ethics, and science.